Best RC boats. The demand for the best RC boats has surged as hobbyists, kids, and beginners look for fast, durable, and easy-to-control models that deliver real excitement on the water. Today's RC boats appeal for their upgraded motors, long-range remotes, and rugged builds made to withstand waves and collisions. In this guide, we evaluate key factors such as boat type, build quality, handling, features, and overall value to help you select the perfect model for fun or competitive play.
Product number 1. Tulsi Remote Control Boat for Kids. The Tulsi Remote Control Boat for Kids is an excellent entry-level choice for young users who want a fun, easy-to-handle water toy. Designed with a streamlined hull and bright, kid-friendly colors, it offers simple controls that help children learn basic steering and throttle skills without frustration. The anti-capsize design allows the boat to flip back upright quickly, which is especially handy for beginners who may lose balance during turns. Its durable ABS material prevents damage from bumps or minor crashes, making it reliable for pools, ponds, and calm lakes. The 2.4 GHz remote ensures stable, low-interference performance, and the intuitive buttons make it suitable for kids as young as 8. Dual batteries provide extended runtime, helping kids enjoy longer play sessions. Overall, this is a safe, affordable, and enjoyable RC boat that delivers impressive value for families.
Product number 2. Force One Velocity Blue Fast RC Boat. The Force One Velocity Blue Fast RC Boat is a performance-focused model designed for speed enthusiasts. It's capable of reaching thrilling high speeds, making it ideal for lakes and open water. The sleek, hydrodynamic hull ensures smooth navigation, while the water-cooled motor system prevents overheating during longer runs. This boat also features an automatic capsize recovery function, which helps keep it upright and reduces downtime if it flips. The included 2.4 GHz controller offers responsive steering and long-range control, allowing users to navigate tight turns and straight sprints with accuracy. Beginners will appreciate the low battery alarm and out-of-range alert, which prevent the boat from drifting too far. Dual rechargeable batteries extend playtime, and the protective nose ensures the boat holds up well against collisions. The Velocity Blue stands out for combining speed, durability, and ease of use, making it a strong value-packed option.
Product number 3. Bezgar TX123 Remote Control Boat. The Bezgar TX123 Remote Control Boat delivers a great balance of speed, control, and durability, making it a fun option for both kids and adults. Built with a tough ABS plastic shell and a streamlined hull, it glides smoothly across water while resisting impacts. Its powerful motor system delivers satisfying acceleration, perfect for casual racing or recreational cruising. Its self-righting feature ensures you can quickly recover from accidental flips, so beginners can enjoy the boat without worry. The 2.4 GHz controller gives precise maneuverability, enabling sharp turns and responsive handling even at longer distances. The Bezgar TX123 runs on replaceable rechargeable batteries for extended fun and offers water-sensitive activation for added safety. Overall, this RC boat blends user-friendly operation with reliable build quality, making it a great all-round pick for outdoor play across ponds, lakes, or swimming pools.
Product number 4. Cyma Remote Control Boat. The Cyma Remote Control Boat is known for its stability and beginner-friendly design, making it a solid choice for first-time RC boat users. It features a compact body with well-balanced weight distribution, allowing it to glide effortlessly on water without tipping easily. With its self-righting capability, the boat can automatically flip upright when overturned, minimizing interruptions during use. The 2.4 GHz remote control system provides consistent signal strength with minimal interference, making it great for group play or longer distance runs. Cyma also includes safety features such as water protection activation, ensuring the motor only runs when submerged. This helps preserve the motor's life and prevents accidental wear. Equipped with dual batteries, it offers decent runtime and reliable performance. The Cyma boat stands out for its simplicity, safety, and durability, making it a smart buy for families seeking a smooth introduction to RC boating.
Product number 5. Dierk 16-inch Fast Brushless RC Boat. The Dierk 16-inch Fast Brushless RC Boat is built for serious RC hobbyists who want superior power and performance on the water. Equipped with a high-efficiency brushless motor, it delivers significantly more speed and stability compared to typical brushed models. The water-cooled system ensures the motor stays at safe temperatures even during intense racing sessions. Its reinforced hull provides excellent durability against waves and accidental impacts, while the streamlined design helps maximize speed and maneuverability. The long-range 2.4 GHz remote gives precise control, making sharp turns and high-speed runs easy to master. Safety features like low battery alerts and capsize recovery add practicality during use. With outstanding acceleration, premium build quality, and extended battery life, the Dierk brushless boat is ideal for users who want high-end performance without sacrificing durability or control.